Stop whatever you are doing right now, because what I am about to tell you in the next few minutes could be the most important thing you hear this entire year. If you are over 60 and you have been noticing that your legs feel heavier than they used to, that climbing a single flight of stairs leaves you breathless, that your balance is not quite what it was 5 years ago, I need you to listen very carefully. Because what most doctors will never tell you is that this decline is not permanent. And it does not require surgery, expensive prescriptions, or a grueling workout program to reverse it. It can begin with something sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me until the very end, because the third T I am going to reveal today is the one that most people over 60 have never even considered, and the research behind it coming out of leading universities may genuinely shock you. Here is the truth that the supplement industry does not want you to know. Muscle loss after 60, what scientists call sarcopenia, is not simply caused by aging. It is caused by a very specific combination of chronic inflammation, impaired circulation, hormonal imbalance, and mitochondrial decline. These are measurable biological processes, and they are influenced directly by what you consume every single day. Researchers at Harvard Medical School have identified that chronic low-grade inflammation alone is responsible for accelerating muscle fiber breakdown by up to 38% in adults over 65. That is not a minor factor. That is the engine driving the weakness you feel in your legs, the instability you feel when you stand up too fast, the fatigue that hits you by 2 in the afternoon. And here is the most powerful part. You do not need a pill to fight it. You need the right plant compounds, consumed consistently, to calm that internal fire and give your muscles the chance to rebuild. These 3 T's do exactly that. Now, I am going to count these down from number 3 to number 1, and I want you to pay very close attention when we get to number 1, because it is the T that addresses the single most overlooked cause of leg weakness in older adults. Most physicians never even mention it in the context of muscle health. And yet a clinical trial conducted at a major research university found that adults who consumed it daily for just 8 weeks gained measurable improvements in both leg strength and balance stability. We are going to get there. But first, do not skip number 3, because it forms the foundation that makes everything else work. Before we dive in, I want to ask you something, and I genuinely want to hear from you in the comments below. How old are you and which symptom bothers you most right now? The weakness, the fatigue, or the balance issues? Drop your answer below. Not only does it help me create better content for you, but you may find that thousands of others are dealing with the exact same thing. You are not alone in this. Let us start with number 3, ginger turmeric tea. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You have heard of these spices. You may even use them in cooking. But I want to explain exactly what happens inside your body, at a cellular level, when you consume these 2 compounds together in tea form, because the science is far more powerful than most people realize. The ginger side of the story. Ginger contains active compounds called gingerols, and these are not passive flavor molecules. They are vasodilators. That means they physically relax the walls of your blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely through your body. Now, why does that matter for your legs specifically? Think of your muscles like a car engine. The engine may be perfectly built, but if the fuel line is narrow and clogged, the engine starves. Poor circulation is that narrow fuel line. It is one of the most common and most underdiagnosed causes of heavy, tired, cramping legs in adults over 60. A 2019 study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that daily ginger consumption significantly improved peripheral blood flow and reduced markers of vascular inflammation within 4 weeks. Patients in that study reported less leg cramping and greater walking endurance. I had a patient, a 68-year-old retired school principal named Margaret. She came to me complaining that her legs felt like concrete by noon every day. She had been to 3 specialists. No one found a structural problem. When I introduced her to daily ginger turmeric tea, within 2.5 weeks, she told me the concrete had turned to wood. Within 6 weeks, she said she felt like herself again. That is not magic. That is circulation being restored. The turmeric side. Turmeric contains curcumin, and curcumin is, without question, one of the most thoroughly researched natural anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. A meta-analysis published in Nutrients reviewing 15 clinical trials concluded that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced levels of 2 key inflammatory markers, IL-6 and TNF-alpha, both of which directly accelerate muscle fiber degradation. In plain terms, when these markers are high, your muscles break down faster than they can rebuild. Curcumin quiets those signals. It lets your muscles get ahead of the damage. The synergy secret. When ginger and turmeric are combined, their effects amplify each other. Ginger opens the delivery channels. Better blood flow means nutrients reach muscle tissue faster. Turmeric reduces the inflammatory environment that would otherwise destroy that tissue. But there is one step most people miss that makes this tea up to 2000% more effective, and I am not exaggerating that number. Adding a small pinch of black pepper activates a compound called piperine, which dramatically increases curcumin absorption through the intestinal wall. Without it, most of the curcumin passes right through your body unused. How to prepare it? Use fresh ginger root, about a 1-inch piece, thinly sliced. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or a small piece of fresh turmeric root. A pinch, just a small pinch of black pepper. Simmer in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain, add a touch of honey if desired, and drink once daily. Morning is ideal. The energy rebuilder. Number 2 is ginseng green tea, and this one is particularly important for anyone who experiences that deep, bone-level fatigue. The kind where you wake up already tired, and even light activity wipes you out by midday. Why older adults run out of energy. Here is the science most people never hear. Inside every muscle cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. They are the actual power generators of the cell. They take the food you eat and convert it into usable energy. After age 60, mitochondrial efficiency declines significantly. Your muscles are not receiving less food. They are simply converting it less efficiently into energy. It is like having the same gas in your car, but the engine is running at half its capacity. Ginseng directly addresses this. The ginseng mechanism. Ginseng root contains compounds called ginsenosides, and these have been shown in multiple controlled studies to enhance mitochondrial function, improve oxygen utilization inside muscle cells, and reduce the accumulation of lactic acid that causes that burning, heavy sensation during even mild activity. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Ginseng Research found that older adults who consumed Korean red ginseng daily for 12 weeks showed a 20% improvement in physical performance scores, a measurable reduction in perceived fatigue, and improved grip strength compared to placebo. But ginseng does not just work on the body. It also works on the mind. One of the most underappreciated drivers of physical decline in older adults is mental fatigue. When the brain is exhausted, the motivation to move disappears. And when people stop moving, muscles deteriorate faster. Ginseng has been shown in cognitive studies to improve mental clarity, reduce brain fog, and restore the mental energy that makes physical activity feel possible rather than impossible. I had a patient, a 72-year-old named Robert, a former engineer who told me he used to walk 4 miles every morning. By the time he came to see me, he was barely making it to the mailbox. After 6 weeks of daily ginseng green tea, he called my office to report that he had walked 2 miles without stopping, and more importantly, that he had wanted to. The green tea layer. Green tea adds a beautiful second dimension to this blend. It is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. It also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that produces calm, focused alertness without the crashes or jitters associated with caffeine. For older adults who are sensitive to stimulants, this is critical. Green tea does not spike your nervous system. It elevates it gently and sustains that elevation for hours. How to prepare it? Do not use boiling water for green tea. It destroys the delicate catechins. Let the water cool for 1 to 2 minutes after boiling, then steep your green tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 to 3 thin slices of fresh ginseng root or a 1/4 teaspoon of ginseng powder. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Add honey lightly if needed. 1 cup in the morning. Consistent, daily use is where the real power accumulates. Important note: if you have high blood pressure or take blood-thinning medications, speak with your physician before adding ginseng, as it can have mild stimulating effects in higher doses. Before I reveal the number 1 tea, the one that addresses the hidden root cause most physicians completely ignore, I want to quickly ask, if this information has been useful to you so far, please take 2 seconds and hit the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so now. We publish new evidence-based health content every week specifically for adults over 60. Your health deserves accurate, trustworthy information. Now let us get to number 1. The Overnight Rebuilder. Most people have never considered this. Number 1 is ashwagandha root tea, and I want to explain why this earns the top position because it is not simply about muscles. It is about the invisible biological forces that are silently preventing your muscles from ever recovering in the first place. The hidden enemy, cortisol. Here is something that is rarely discussed in the context of senior health. Chronic stress, including the low-level psychological stress of managing health concerns, finances, family responsibilities, and sleep problems, chronically elevates a hormone called cortisol. And cortisol, when it remains elevated over time, is one of the most destructive forces the human body can be subjected to. It breaks down muscle protein. It weakens bone density. It disrupts sleep architecture. And it directly impairs the neuromuscular connections, the communication pathways between your brain and your leg muscles that are essential for balance and coordinated movement. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults who took ashwagandha root extract for 8 weeks experienced a 21.5% greater increase in muscle strength compared to placebo, alongside a significant reduction in cortisol levels, improved sleep quality, and better balance scores. This is not one benefit. This is 4 benefits from one plant. The sleep connection nobody talks about. Your muscles do not rebuild during the day. Let me say that again because it is critical. Your muscles rebuild at night, specifically during the deep stages of sleep, when growth hormone is released and cellular repair takes place. If your sleep is shallow, fragmented, or restless, that repair window is being robbed from you every single night. No amount of exercise and no amount of nutrition can fully compensate for lost sleep-based recovery. And yet millions of older adults are suffering from exactly this problem, waking up multiple times, lying awake with racing thoughts, and then dragging themselves through the day already depleted. Ashwagandha directly addresses this. It has been shown to increase slow-wave sleep, the deepest, most restorative phase, by modulating GABA receptors in the brain, essentially calming the nervous system into a deeper state of rest. I had a patient, a 74-year-old retired nurse named Dorothy, who had been complaining of weak, shaky legs for 2 years. We had optimized her nutrition, her medications, even her physical therapy. She was still declining. When I finally asked her to describe her sleep, she told me she had not slept through the night in 3 years. We introduced ashwagandha root tea every evening. Within 3 weeks, she was sleeping through the night. Within 6 weeks, her physical therapist called me to say that Dorothy's balance scores had improved more in 1 month than they had in the previous year. That is the power of fixing the hidden variable. How to prepare it. Ashwagandha root is denser than ginger or turmeric, so it requires a slightly longer preparation. Simmer dried ashwagandha root pieces, about 1 teaspoon, in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes over low heat. Strain well. Add a small stick of cinnamon during the simmer for flavor and additional anti-inflammatory benefit. A touch of honey to taste. For sleep improvement and overnight recovery, consume this tea 30 to 45 minutes before bed. For daytime stress reduction and energy balance, a morning cup works as well. Start with once daily and observe how your body responds over 2 to 3 weeks. Caution: individuals with thyroid conditions or autoimmune diseases should consult their physician before use, as ashwagandha influences hormonal pathways. So let me bring this all together for you, because this is not just about tea. This is about understanding that your body, even at 65, 70, or 75, is not finished responding to the right inputs. Here is your daily protocol. Morning, ginger turmeric tea with black pepper, to reduce inflammation and open circulation. Also morning, ginseng green tea, to support mitochondrial energy and mental clarity for the day ahead. Evening, ashwagandha root tea, to restore cortisol balance, deepen sleep, and give your muscles the overnight recovery window they need. These 3 teas target 3 different but deeply connected systems: inflammation and circulation, energy and endurance, and stress and recovery. Together, they address the real biological reasons why muscles weaken after 60, not as isolated symptoms but as a unified system. I want to be honest with you. These are not overnight solutions. Decline came gradually, and rebuilding takes time and consistency. But I have watched patients who were told that nothing could be done, patients who had accepted weakness as permanent, gradually reclaim their strength, their steadiness, and their independence through exactly these kinds of daily habits. The body continues to adapt. At 60, 70, at 80, it responds to what you give it. So give it something worth responding to. Start with 1 cup. Stay consistent. And check back in with me in 6 weeks. I want to hear how you are feeling. If this video helped you, please share it with someone you love who is over 60 and struggling with these same challenges. One share could change someone's life. And I will see you in the next one.